Hey there, financial explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing for beginners. If you're ready to set your money to work and watch it grow, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Investing might sound daunting, but it's simply putting your money into assets with the goal of generating more money over time. The key here is patience. Investing is a long-term game. There are various investment options to consider, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each comes with its own level of risk and potential return. Researching and understanding your options is crucial. Remember, higher potential returns often come with higher risks. Stocks, for instance, can be volatile, while bonds tend to be more stable. Diversifying your investments helps spread risk. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Many platforms allow you to begin with a small amount. This way, you can learn the ropes without a huge financial commitment. Consistency is key. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account each month. This paying yourself first mentality can lead to significant growth over time. Now, here's the real magic: compound interest. This is like your money earning interest on top of interest. Over years, it can turn even a modest investment into a substantial nest egg. If you're unsure where to start, don't hesitate to seek advice from a financial advisor. They can help you tailor an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Well, there you have it, folks. Investing for beginners doesn't have to be intimidating. Start small, do your research, diversify, and let time and compound interest work their magic. Remember, it's all about the journey toward building wealth and securing your financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and join our community of smart investors. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.